red one, see, the red.
She put it on Facebook. She said, "You don't mind if I put you on Facebook?" Do you? I said, "Nah." I said, "There isn't anybody on there that I don't want to see my photos."
That's clean as. Valiant. VY Statesman. Oh, that is amazing. That's so cool. Nice weekend colour. Where's that from, the UK? For sale, 35k. Look at these mini mobiles. Look at these. Tiny. That's all good. That's cute. Manual too. This is sick. Oh, that's clean. This is sick. Bro, that'd be like driving a spaceship. Never mind, it's a VK Commodore.
It says model VK.
It's fucking clean. Hot rods.
Or starting it.
Nice park job. These are cool though. I think I've seen these a few times now. This one's a bit more modern.
No, it's me. I was trying to take a photo.
Corvette. That'd be worth a bit. That's cool. So, it's Valiant. There's hot rod somewhere else. It's fucking sick. Valiant's clean. Wow. Love the paint. For sale, 27k. GTO. This blue one's nice.
I think it's a little light Zeta over there. 14.
I love to clean interiors in some of these cars. VS coming. Wow. This is a
I
VS.
think it's a Ford Anglia. Yeah, it is. Yeah, Ford
Body
Anglia.
kit seat.
Yeah. Deluxe
Wow.
Ford Anglia.
This is a VS. 5-litre V8, I think. What is it, a VS? Fuck, I need to learn these cars a bit better. No, I don't actually know. This VF is sick. Manual. GTO. Monaro. Manual. I haven't seen this one before. Holy shit. This has 14,000 Ks.
Is that all?
What? You know how old this is?
No.
21 years old.
Monaro.
What the fuck? CV8Z. I've never seen this before. Holy shit. That is immaculate. It's literally brand new. What the fuck? That's fucking amazing. See, here's another one here. The same as this. Manual. How many Ks is that? I can't see. 64,000. iPhone storage is full, so sorry if the quality is not the best on this one. HSV VE, and there's a VF SS. VF Series 2 SS. And catch you later. Yeah, this VY is beautiful. This just proves you can daily a cool car. 369,000 Ks, and it looks like this. We've seen this at the last Coffee and Cars. It's beautiful. VF SS. It's beautiful. LS3. You pop the bonnet for me. 6.2 litre. Beautiful. Another Monaro GTO VY manual. I don't know how many Ks it has, I can't see through it, but people are keeping these in really low Ks. It's got a sunroof too. It's beautiful. If you look at the older cars. I don't know much about these, so just know the basics like the Kingswood here.
So someone's gone to the effort to re-pinstripe it and put the
It's an AU. V8 AU Falcon. I can respect a good Ford. Look at these. Wow. These are Ford Mustangs. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Quite a few today. Beautiful. It's a cool bonnet. Wow, Ford.
My brother-in-law had one.
What is it? Oh no, looks like an XR8.
But yeah, the 9-inch wide will, but the guards haven't been rolled either.
Some cool cars. That's great colour. Wow. Beautiful.